All right, what's good, YouTube? We're back again with another tutorial. As you can see, we're doing a breakdown of a Playboi Carti and Carson type beat. If you haven't already, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we will hop right into this tutorial. So, as always, with these beats, you just want to try to make something ambient, kind of melodic, kind of weird, fast-paced, that kind of deal. And you'll pretty much just hit this nail on the head. So let's go ahead and hop into FL Studio and get started on this this breakdown. And as always, if you stick around to the end, I will go through and show you all the Midis, all the VSTs, and all that stuff to make this beat. So let's see what we got so far. So here is the first pattern, right? So let's go ahead and take a listen. Pretty quick, pretty ambient and melodic at the same time. Then we've got our second melody here. We kind of use that second one to kind of fill in the background, fill in the gaps of what the first one sounds like. So let's go ahead and hop into the third. Check this one out. And then we've got our fourth melody, and this is just a piano. So far we've got well, I forgot what I made the main melody out of. I'm pretty sure it's probably just a synth of some sort. Then you got a pad to fill in that background, a bell to kind of just break things up whenever you've got different parts in the beat, and then we throw in a piano to do the same thing. And here's that piano. To set that off, we added one more melody to kind of just give it some variation, and it's some keys here. So here are those keys. What I was aiming for when I was making this loop was just trying to make something that was ambient, dark, and kind of sound like some vampire, like walking through a dungeon, or exploring a castle type of deal, something that you'd hear on like an anime or like a video game when you're kind of walking around and you're inside of a some type of scary castle or some dungeonous looking area, something like that. I wanted to definitely give it the vampire dark vibe. So let's go ahead and hop into the drums. So we're gonna play all the drums at the same time for you guys, and then take a listen to that. Another drum pattern as well. All right, and so let's throw it all together so you guys can hear everything, and then we will hop into song mode, and I'll let you guys hear the beat. And for you guys that stick around or leave at this portion of the tutorial, I appreciate you guys sticking around for this long. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff on your way out. And for you guys that like to stick around and stay and see the whole thing and get all the extra sauce that you can get, we will be breaking that down here shortly, and you guys will get to see all the VSTs and everything that I've did to make this beat. So let's go ahead and take a listen to everything all together, and then we'll hop into song mode. So let's hop into the song mode. Go ahead and play some of this. Let you guys take a listen. that's all we got for that one, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys that like to stick around, we are going to go ahead and hop into this breakdown and take a look at everything. So we're going to go back to pattern mode and then solo this out, and I'm gonna just play everything and kind of click through it and let you guys take a listen. So let's go ahead and get started. Man, I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully I hit the nail on the head with the Carson Playboi Carti type of beat. I think I did. I definitely think I could hear those two you know, going back and forth on this type of beat. And yeah, so that's all we got for this week. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel. Follow me on all my social media. Milan Makes Beats. If I got it, you'll find me. If I don't, you won't. And that's really about it, guys. So we'll be back next week with some more creativity and some more beats, tutorials, engineering, whatever it is that, you know, we decide to put out there. Drop in the comment section what you guys want to see more of. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Peace. Catch you next week.